What's going on, guys? My name is Jeffrey Rodriguez and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about margin and leverage. Alright guys, so we're going to be talking about margin and leverage in this video. If you're new to my channel, real quick, make sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. I post daily educational videos as well as weekly market analysis videos. Alright guys, so with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So margin and leverage, basically these two things work hand in hand, right? If you understand margin, you should understand leverage. So let's go ahead and explain exactly what this is. All right, these two are functions of each other. Margin means the cash available in your account or equity in your account. All right, so say you have a $1,000 trading account. You have $1,000 that is available to be traded. So one of the common questions that people ask is, how much money do I need in my account to open this position or to hold this position? So let's go ahead and we'll go over an example and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. Alright, so if we take a look at GBP USD, for example, the current exchange rate is 1.35185. So we're going to just go ahead and use 1.3520. So let's say we're looking at GBP USD and the current exchange rate is 1.3520. So if we're trading this pair, then we know that GBP is the base currency. Alright, so we know that GBP is the base currency. So let's say for this example we want to use one standard lot. Alright, we know that that represents 100,000 base units of currency, right? So now that we know that we're going to use one standard lot and the current exchange rate is 1.3520, we need to figure out what the notional value is. So we'll take 100,000 and we will multiply that by 1.3520 and you'll get $135,200. So the notional value is $135,200. So let's say for this example you have 1 to 1,000 leverage on your trading account. So if you take 1 and you divide that by 1,000, you'll get 0.001, and then you'll take 0.001 and you'll times that by this number here, 135,200, the notional value of the currency that you're trading, and you should get $135.20. So this is the margin required in your account here if you're going to be trading one standard lot on GBP USD with the exchange rate of 1.3520. So with that being said, you know that you have to have minimum $135.20 in your trading account. So with understanding margin and leverage, you also have to understand risk management, right? If you only have $150 in your trading account and you're trading with one standard lot, that means every pip the market moves, you're going to be making or losing $10 per pip, because one standard lot equals $10 per pip, right? So per pip. So every single pip the market moves, you're going to be making or losing $10, right? So if you only have $150, you can only withstand 15 pips worth of drawdown until you blow your account. You want to make sure as you're holding this position though, if it goes in the opposite direction that you're trading, then you're going to see drawdown on your account, or your account's going to say, you know, you're going to be in the red 30, 40, whatever the amount is. And then with that, you're going to see your margin change. So you need to make sure that you're always using proper risk management, so you're not over leveraging your account, you're not putting too much risk on, and you're actually going to be benefiting yourself when you're trading versus hurting yourself. Because a lot of times new traders will get in and they're trying to trade the biggest size possible on a small account because they want to make a lot of money to quit their job. You have to take it little by little. So you have to start with the small positions, then you get up to the standards and all that. So you know, you want to start with 0.1 and then you want to go to 0.5, then 1 standard, then 2 standards, then 5 standards, and 10 standards. But that takes time, guys. You have to trust the process and you have to go along day by day, practice and implement the things you learn. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you like this style of video, then make sure to leave a comment below. Make more videos like this.
After this track, I might need me some lozenges. I ain't about to go soft. This rapping shit lately been pissing me off. Guess these words are kinda just at the tip of my tongue, but I'm still young and I hope I find the rhymes that'll live through time before that fat lady has sung. Cause when I'm inside this booth, feels like I rule the world. But I'll hop off my horse, hop in your Porsche, give it a